In this video, I'm gonna talk about when you should choose the green tape. So when you need a very strong bond, like if you're painting lacquer or the solvent, you really need a green tape for the better seal. It also works best for the wall stripping. For example, if this is the white wall, you just want to make some strips, so this one works best. However, you need to be very careful when using green tape because it has a strong glue. So if it's a fresh paint, if you put this one on, leaving for a day, when you pull the tape, you might tear off the fresh paint. Even the dry, like let's say 1-2 days paint, is still not good. You need to use the blue tape. When you're painting the window frames, you need to put the tape on the glass to make sure there's no paint on the glass. You'd better use the green tape because it has a strong glue. When you pull, the glue is less likely to stick to the window, even the cold weathers. But if you use a blue tape, it might be the glue will stick on the window. It's hard to remove. Now I'm gonna show you how to use the green tape. So lots of people make a mistake that they think that get the tape and put it on, that's it. No, actually it's not how paint tapes works. So in order to make sure you get a better seal, is that you need to press. You need to really press it. So the more you press it, the better seal you will get. So now it's flat, it's stick on it. When I pull, you hear the sound. So let's say if you want to make a seal right here, if you don't want the paint to bleeding inside this part, you need to press here really well. Like really press it. It needs some strength to do it for several times. So now if you paint, it won't bleed to here. For the painter's tape, one thing you need to remember, when you buy it, you need to see the instruction. How many days clear remove? Someone said 3 days, 2 days, or 7 days, even 14 days. You gotta remember this. For example, if you have a longer project for about a week or two, and you buy a tape for 3-day clean remove, and luckily you put it on the window. When you remove it after 2 weeks, probably all the edge of the window have glue on it. It's really hard to remove. So make sure you buy the right tape. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.